This has to have been the best financial decision I ever made. And I've made this years ago. And I have spent thousands on systems that require me to be a master sales person, okay, a tech genius, which I am not, or a 24/7 recruiter. Most of them left me broke and with a lot of frustration. And I can imagine if you're watching this video, you probably can relate. The best decision I've ever made wasn't the biggest check I've ever made. It's actually one of the smallest ones I've ever made. I decided to stop chasing and start leveraging. And how you leverage is you plug into a system that's working for you. And the foundation is a solid. It's a $10 a month digital service. It's Global Domains International. Okay, it's been around for decades. Okay, it's PayPal approved, which is next to impossible for a business with like these. Okay, a business that you can leverage. The growth is automated. Now that we have a smart rotator that actually places members under you while you sleep. The entry is zero risk because you have a 7-day free trial with it. And you get to see people placed in real time. The momentum is real. We've had 91 new partners join the team in the last 7 days alone. Now let me say that that's 91 new partners they're talking about as a whole through everyone that's in the smart rotator. Okay, so that's not 91 people that have directly been placed below you. So don't go thinking that. Okay, this does take time like anything else, but a $10 business, you can afford to give this time. And this is not a lazy man's business. You do need to advertise it, but it gives you all of this that you can use. Blog posts like that are 100% relatable. Okay, it's like, how many of us have not been here and not looking for help to be able to recruit? Okay, the zero risk is you get the 7-day free trial and placements will begin happening. It says right away, but it may take longer than the 7 days. Okay, the 91 people in this last 7 days alone. In the system, you don't have to pioneer or be a master recruiter to win. You just have to be active while momentum is high. If you're tired of manual hustle and ready for a system-driven approach, check out how the new GDI team building system is working. And it's just go to this 90-second video. You can click below this video, and this is what you'll see. Okay, this talks about the smart rotator. See, 90 members have joined. And just go below this video right here and watch this. Okay, and you can click this link to join right away if you're ready to take your free 7-day trial. Or you can put your email in here if you want more information about it. Okay? Again, definitely one of the best financial decisions I've made. And it's a $10 business that's been around for decades. Okay? So click the link below if you just want some more information.